Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the camera tricks on POCO M7. Okay, so let's launch our camera app, and here I'll show you, in my opinion, the most interesting features that we have. Let's begin with the simple photo mode. In here, on the left side, we have the Google Lens scanner. Thanks to that, we can quickly search for the things in the internet, select that you want to use while using the app. Now click on Open Camera, and now when we are in the search mode, right in here, now we can take a photo of something, and this photo will be pasted in Google, and you'll be able to search some information based on the photo. So for example, in here next to me I have this plant, so let me take a photo of it, and when I'll take a photo just like that, now we have our Google, the photo has been pasted, and now we can see the results based on the photo. So we can scroll. As you can see, it found similar plants to it, so that's how we can use that mode. So for example, if you see something for the first time, you don't know how is this called or how to find it, you can simply take a photo of it. The photo will be pasted into the Google, and you'll be able to see the similar results based on the photo. So that mode is pretty useful. Now, if you click the button right in here, click on Allow All if you want to use the gallery, and in here you can select the photo from your gallery, and it will also be pasted into the search bar, and you'll be able to find it. We also have the translate function. First we need to select and find some language and the text. In here, select into which language you want to translate. Let's say maybe this one. I don't know actually what it is, but as you take a look, it has been successfully translated from English into that language that is called LR. I don't know actually what it is. LR, Allur, I don't know how to spell it, but the option itself works correctly. Okay, that's all when it comes to the Google Lens. In here, if you click on that, the bar will appear. You can enable the HDR for better quality of the photo. I highly recommend to do it. You can also set the timer. As we go to the left side, we have the video. We can change the FPS. Actually, my bad. We can't change the FPS. We can only change the resolution. 1080p or 720. That's the only thing that we can adjust. When it comes to the Ultra HD mode, in this mode we have the 50 megapixel camera quality, the rear camera of course. Actually we cannot switch the camera to take a selfie, but in this mode you need to be aware that the maximum zoom level is only 2x. We cannot go higher than that, it's impossible. We can only turn on the flashlight, and we can change the exposure. To do it, tap on the screen to get the focus, and now slide down or up to increase or decrease the exposure level. As we go to the right side, we have the portrait mode, the night mode, which is the best for taking photos at night when it's simply dark outside. They will be with better quality, and you can also use the time-lapse mode. You can again change the resolution right in here. You can select the parameters such as exposure value, saturation, ISO, white balance, and the focus. If you want to reset those settings, hit this button on the left side, and everything will be resetted. And you can also add the speed and also the duration. Maximum is 16 minutes, or you can select the infinite. That's when it comes to these modes. Now let's open up the settings. In here you can add the watermarks, use the Auto Night mode, detect low light conditions and improve image quality automatically, worth enabling. We can select the picture quality, always pick high. We can mirror the front camera. Some people like that effect, some people don't. It's up to you. I'm just letting you know where you can find it and where you can change it. Right in here, you can keep that enabled or turn it off. You can change the shutter type. We can tap on the screen to take a photo. We can enable the palm shutter, show your palm to the front camera to start the timer. We have the audio, say cheese to take a photo, and we also have the additional shutter that we can add on our screen. So let's enable everything. Now let's go with tap to take photo. Now, when I will tap anywhere on the screen, the photo will be taken. Just like that. As you can see, it works. The second thing was saying the phrase cheese, and the photo will be taken. Actually, it worked. Let me show you again. Cheese. Cheese. Now it's not working. Cheese. Okay. Now it worked. Let's do it again. Cheese. The photos are being taken, and now I have forgot to add the additional shutter. Oh no, actually here it is. You need to grab it from that place it anywhere that you want on the screen, and now when I'll tap it, the photo also will be taken. It's really comfortable to use that additional shutter because let's say that we are taking photos using only one hand, and for some people with smaller hands it might be a little bit difficult to tap right in here. Actually, it's not comfortable to hold our phone like that, so that is why you can grab the phone steady just like that, and you can add the floating shutter, for example, right in here. So now I can comfortably click to take a photo. Really useful thing. Okay, back into the settings. We can also have the video settings. We can change the video encoder and enable the auto frame rate. And when we go into the general, we have the grid lines that we can add. We have rule of thirds or the golden ratio. We have the center mark and the straighten function. I really like the grid lines because thanks to them we can position our camera in proper way. You can see those grid lines right in here. We can also see that crosshair in the middle. That's the it shows us where is the center, and we also have that leveler. That's the bar that appears right in here. Okay, here it is. Maybe let me adjust the brightness a little. So, okay, here it is now. Right in here. And now when I'm holding the phone steady, it changes the color into orange, and that's suggestion for us that we are holding our phone properly, on a proper level. We are not shaking it, so that's the moment when you should take the photo. Back into the settings, general, we have the camera UI color that we can change. We have the shutter sound, film, retro, distinct or fresh, you can change it. We have volume buttons function. Currently it's set for the timer, it will last for 2 seconds. We can also select the zoom or volume level. I will select zoom for now, and I'll show you that when I will hold volume up, I'm zooming the camera. As you can see, the maximum zoom level is 10. Now when I'll hold volume down, I'm zooming out. Also pretty comfortable thing. Comfortable feature. I'm pretty annoyed that my brightness is changing automatically. I'll have to turn it off later. But I think that is basically all that I wanted to show you. We also have the other settings. In here you can change the anti-banding, you can keep it on off, or you can select 50 Hz or 60 Hz or the auto mode. If you click on restore the default settings, click on OK, everything will be restored into default settings. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.